jogging today. Going to
Hello, tara.
Cerdaville. Cross. Yes.
Ayun. The Canadian Jollibee teams. Ay,
Cross. Canadian Tire.
Tumingin ka dun sa left mo.
Yep. Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Canadian. Ayan, running. Kasi walang...
Kaya nyo, 12 o'clock? Hindi, 5:30 p.m.
Oh, it's 5:30 p.m. Actually, 6 o'clock na ata. So, it's 6 p.m. in Toronto. Yeah. As you can see, sobrang daming sasakyan.
Yeah.
So, we're on a hunt for a very good park here in Toronto.
The hunt meaning pangalawang day pa lang.
Hunt meaning second day of hunting. Ayan.
Meaning second 30 minutes.
So, medyo malapit lang. We're jogging kasi sobrang init. It's a combination of init and lamig. So, wait lang. Sobrang ganda ng flowers. See? Ayan na siya. So, let me habol. Okay.
Kung makikita nyo, magaganda ang cars.
Yes. Traffic ngayon dahil pauwi na ang mga tao at 6 p.m. Yan. Siya ay tumatalon-talon.
Hello. Ito, solo leveling. Daily quest.
Daily quest.
Rewards, strength, stamina, intelligence.
We need to exercise and we need to jog because we haven't been exercising for the past days.
I know. Measure the speed mo mga dumadaan. Dito mo?
Yes.
41.
Measure daw.
Kasi maximum 40. So sinasabi sa'yo, tigil-tigilan mo na yan pag bibilis mo.
Amazing, right?
We are tracking you. We are invading your privacy.
Yeah. Nagmumuni-muni siya paano bibili ng bahay sa Canada. Going to his future office, Wolf Kimmelman. Char. Okay. Oo nga eh. Kaya pala nasa tapat sila ng pedestrian walk. Ay, magra-right ata tayo, my love. Ayan, si Pizer. Toronto Defense Lawyers. And siya ang future Toronto Defense Lawyer. The future of Toronto. Hello! Finally, after 40 minutes of walk.
This is not our Cedarville video. We're gonna come back.
We're here at Cedarville.
A city within a park. Wow.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I want a city in my park.
I want a city in my park.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Hello, ito na yung video natin.
Yeah.
Parang hindi mo na maiiwasan daan na. Wow.
Looks nice.
Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Totoo.
Ganda.
Grabe, ibang-iba din sa park natin before. Malaki ang park.
This is a huge park.
Oh.
Go.
Stig. Wow. Ano ba yun?
May sounds yung ano niya.
Ano?
May trail there. But overall, look at the park. Sobrang lamig here. It feels good. Ang saya.
Oh, maganda yung park dito.
Yeah. Amazing. Amazing.
Ay, cute.
Ang cute mo.
Hello.
Hello.
Ayun, tennis. Gusto ko rin matuto mag-tennis.
Yeah, mag-aaral kami mag-tennis here.
Lagi
This
kami
is
pupunta na araw dito.
one of our goals. So, merong free tennis court here. And that's our plan. Kailangan makapaglaro ng tennis at matutong mag-tennis. Like a pro.
Kay Kuya Joy. Hi Kuya Joy. Pwede naman ang land down the rackets. I am not cutting this.
Look at the birds. Nice.
Grabe. Ang
Ganda.
naman.
Ganda ng bird. Oh, sorry. Pero, mababait yung mga dogs here.
Yeah.
Hindi sila nanganahol.
Yeah, I think bawal yun. Kasi hindi sila nagsasalita. Oo, yan. May water park.
Yeah, may puddle.
I think ito
Look
na yung
at the
Cedar View Park
fields.
video natin, right?
Yeah.
Parang hindi mo na ma-replicate yung first time.
Oo, yung first time seeing.
I stand corrected. This is the video. Maganda. Grabe. Amazing.
Amazing. So,
Yeah, one station away.
one station away from us, but it's very quick. 15 minutes away kung station.
Yeah. Grabe. Di ba pakita mo yun, Rayo?
Oo nga eh.
Sobrang ganda.
Amazing. Look at that.
Oh.
Diba? Picturesque.
Picture tayo dito.
Sige. Gonna take a photo.
Hello! So we are at Cedarville Park. Hello, my love. Are you enjoying?
Yes. I love the sun and the breeze. And the greens. Everywhere. This is really pretty.
Ganda.
And that was there are flowers.
Ganda.
There you go. Woohoo! Yahoo! Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ganda. Yay!
Hello! So we are still at Cedarville Park. And ang ganda. May free tennis courts, may free football courts. Ganda. Gusto ko matuto mag-tennis. Si Ira rin ata gusto. Gusto mo ba, Ray?
Yes.
Ayan, lagi kaming pupunta here and mag-tennis. Ganda. Yeah, no reservation I think.
Ayun na.
But you can ask. Ah! And may ano rin!
Ay, may truck din.
Ah! Nasaan yung ping pong?
Baseball po.
Yeah, I think baseball pitch siya, no? Galing! Galing, grabe. Ang ganda. Pag mga nasa ganito kang parks na hindi ka magre-regret na nandito sa Canada. Ah yeah, there's table tennis too. Galing. Oh,
Ang cute oh. Pwede ka mag-train ng mga dogs.
mga nagtitrain nga ng dogs.
Parang masaya magkaroon ng dogs here.
Oh, naglalaro yung mga dogs there. Kasi dog park yan, di ba, Ray?
Ayun ata.
So not everywhere is a dog park here in Canada.
Or there's a specific
Yeah,
facility for the dogs.
yeah, there's specific facility. You can't just let them loose.
Wow.
Wow,
Wow.
wow.
Ito yung sunken garden.
Huh? Grabe. Sobrang ganda.
Sobrang ganda.
As in, wow. As in, wow. As in, amazing. Grabe yung itsura.
What a place.
May mga nagbe-baseball, oh.
What a place.
Kaya lang, ang konti lang na pwede mag-baseball there. Paano kaya makapag-book there ng baseball? Toboggan Hills. Oh my God, coyotes have been reported in this area. So this is what we've been talking about. So you can't just let your dogs loose here, I think. So there are only leash-free zones like this one. So dogs are having fun. So that one is a leash-free zone.
Galing na, may area sila.
Area sila.
What's the ball?
What if they would have said now we're not gonna pay?
No, because
So Ira is amused because this hill is named Toboggan. And then yan, Rai, there.
according to the instructions, you should not tobogganing. You should stop tobogganing.
In rainy, icy, or melting conditions. So Ira thought that's a word.
Yeah, I even wanted to check Google if there's a real word.
And it's scary here after dark because look,
There are
coyotes!
And it's not lit, so there's no lights.
And steps and paths are not cleared of snow and ice. So, in short, sinasabi niya, if may mangyari sa'yo dito sa Toboggan Hills,
Yeah, it's their fault.
although at least for emergencies, call 911. So here in Cedarfield Park, there's also a trail there. And I think we don't have the time to go to the trail today. Hello! So we are at Toboggan Hills at Cedarville Park. Cedarville Park. So yan, ganda niya. Para siyang sunken garden na mas malaki.
Yeah, hill siya, hill. It is a sunken garden.
Ganda oh. Oh, ganda oh, pababa.
Nice. Ayun na siya. He's small.
Kaya pala sabi, careful pag ice.
Madalas. Ah, wait! Stay ka there. I'm going to take a photo of you. Yeah. Sige, do something. He's that small dude. Going to run here. Go! Run! Woohoo!
Okay, so it's 7 p.m. now and there's still a trail here, but we're not sure how long that trail is. So I think we'll call it a day.
Yeah,
and
we'll go back and
because
explore the trail.
Our walk home is around 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40 minutes to an hour. So we need to start walking because it will turn dark.
Yeah, and may coyotes daw. Woo!
And my coyotes in the park. Sabi.
So,
but masaya pala sa summer. So there's still sun.
Yeah.
There's sun.
Actually, pwede naman kami mag-train ni Ira, pero wala yung presto card namin.
Oo, hindi namin doon yung presto card namin because
our
plan was to just check it out, then go back immediately. But when we saw the entrance of the park, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And sun.
Pwede ka naman umalis lang, pero
Do you want to hold?
Na-attract ka. Na-attract by the beauty.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. So, hello, my love.
Hello!
So, we saw this path. We found out.
So, over there is just the highway. After this big wall.
Yeah. We're protected by the wall. So, para sa Japan na meron kang sound barrier. Yung houses, may sound barrier yung houses from the highway. So, amazing, right?
Hindi lahat na modifier of cut is dead. Lahat na kayo. Yung sa Japan, di ba may ganun yung highway?
May... Ano yun yung parang roof?
Yeah, may roof.
So,
but can you stop that sound from the airplane?
And so, it's a hidden path, pero
grabe lahat
maganda.
dito maganda itsura. So on our way home, we randomly stumbled upon another park K. Gardner Beltline
Beltline
Park.
Park.
Ayun, mukhang maganda rin siya.
Yeah. Ganda.
But next time.
Yeah, next time.
Ito parang, I'm not sure, parang may car na on the
Other side.
other side. So
Yeah.
baka Beltline lang talaga yan.
So we'll explore that next time.
Next time, it doesn't look like it, but it's around 7:30 now.
Yeah. So we need to walk faster because later on, it will be very dark. Hello.
Hello! So we are just on our way from the park.
Yeah.
And it's just on the beauty.
Yeah.
We stumbled upon this place.
Yeah, it's another part.
Grabe, masuspoil ka dito.
Oh my.
Just stumbled upon this place randomly
Yeah.
while we were walking home.
Yeah, and this is more populated.
Yeah,
Unlike the other parks that we've been
yeah.
to.
Baka community park to eh.
Yeah. And big trees. See? Ang daming children. Oopsie. Sorry. Okay, so kailangan ko daw i-video to because I'm just sharing kay Chon na I'm happy to see kids playing outside. Unlike in our place. Kasi wala namang ganitong mga parks eh. Pero tignan mo lahat yun mga bata. Oh, ang daming bata. Nasa playground sila. Nakikipaglaro. May nakita kami mga bata nag-aaway there. But it's okay because that's normal child play. You learn
May
from
trees pala there, oh.
trees.
Ang ganda ng mga trees. Kita mo yung trees?
Ayaw nga no.
Huge trees.
Huge trees.
Ano ba yun?
Ay, ano? Asaya, di ba? Asaya makakita ng mga batang naglalaro, nag-aaway. Masaya, masaya.
So after 30 minutes of walking, more than, I think 40 minutes of walking, we can see where we need to go.
Yeah,
There.
We're almost there.
That's far. Malayo pa. Far from home.
Far from home?
Yeah, mga 45-minute going, 45-minute pa uwi. No, I'm not sure.
Ito yung ating train station. Subway.
Yeah. I think mga 50 minutes papunta, 50 minutes pabalik.
It's okay. It's near. Don't worry.
Oo naman, maganda naman. Pero as in, ayun na siya. Yun na talaga yun, no? I can see it, yung TTC.
Okay.
Hi.
Wala na.
We made it back. 8 kilometers
We're
din yun.
alive.
Woo!
Alive and well. And
Dumating tayo, at least na may sun pa. 8 o'clock na siguro.
8 na, yes. Sakto 8.
Ah,
Sarap, gutom.
buhay.
I'm hungry. Bye-bye.
Bye.